You know, there's something truly special about making things with your own two hands. Whether you're stitching up a new quilt to keep your family warm, designing a one-of-a-kind dress, or just fixing a favorite pair of jeans, a good sewing machine is like a trusted friend. But finding that friend can be tough. The market is flooded with options, from simple machines for beginners to complex computerized marvels. How do you know which one is right for you? Well, that's what we're here for. We've spent weeks testing, sewing, and putting the top models through their paces to find the very best. We're going to break it all down for you, nice and simple. And remember, if any of these machines catch your eye, we've put links to all of them in the description below so you can check out the latest prices. Before we dive in, do us a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another review. All right, let's get started with a machine that's perfect for anyone just beginning their sewing journey. The Brother XM2701. Think of this as the friendly neighbor of sewing machines. It's not intimidating, but it's surprisingly capable. It's lightweight, so you can easily pull it out when inspiration strikes and store it away when you're done. It comes with 27 built-in stitches, which is more than enough for all your basic needs, from simple repairs to fun decorative touches. One of the things that makes it so great for beginners is how easy it is to set up. It has an automatic needle threader, which is a total game changer, trust me, and a simple top drop-in bobbin that won't jam up on you. It feels smooth and reliable, giving you the confidence to try all sorts of projects. It's a fantastic, budget-friendly machine that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get started with a quality tool. Next up, for those of you who need a little more muscle, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4411. This machine is a true workhorse. If you dream of sewing through tough materials like denim, canvas, or leather without your machine complaining, this is the one for you. Its secret is a motor that's 60% stronger than standard machines and a solid metal internal frame that keeps it steady and stable, no matter how fast you're sewing. Practical. It doesn't have a million fancy stitches, but the 11 it has are the ones you'll actually use, including basic straight and zigzag stitches, some decorative options, and a simple 4-step buttonhole maker. Direct. It's built for speed and power, not for bells and whistles. Confident. If you're into making sturdy bags, upholstery, or durable clothes, the Singer 4411 gives you that raw power and reliability to get the job done right every single time. Now let's step into the world of computers with the Brother CS7000X. This machine is the perfect blend of modern technology and user-friendly design. It's our pick for the best overall sewing machine because it works beautifully for both beginners who want to grow and experienced quilters who need more features. It comes loaded with 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, heirloom, and quilting options, giving you a huge creative palette to play with. You can see and select all your stitches on a clear LCD screen. One of its best features is the included wide table, which gives you a large, stable workspace for big projects like quilts or curtains. It makes maneuvering all that fabric so much easier. It also has that wonderful automatic needle threader and comes with 10 different presser feet, so you're ready for any project right out of the box. It's a fantastic all-around machine that can handle almost anything you throw at it. What if you're looking for something that is pure, simple, and just works? Let me introduce you to the Janome Lovely Lilac. This machine is all about being approachable and easy to use, making it another wonderful choice for someone brand new to sewing. It doesn't try to overwhelm you. Instead, it offers 15 of the most essential stitches you'll need and a straightforward 4-step buttonhole. It's built with a heavy-duty metal frame inside, so even though it looks cute and compact, it's surprisingly sturdy and durable. It's the kind of machine you can learn on without frustration, building your skills and confidence with every project. For a student, a young person just starting a new hobby, or anyone who believes that less is more, the Janome Lovely Lilac is a reliable and charming companion. Finally, for the sewing enthusiast who wants it all, we have the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960. This machine is a creative powerhouse. It's for the person who sees sewing not just as a hobby, but as an art form. It comes packed with an incredible 600 built-in stitches, including lettering fonts so you can personalize your projects with names and messages. It's a computerized dream with a large clear screen and touch controls that make it easy to navigate all its features. This is our top pick for quilters because it comes with an extension table for large projects and a whole host of accessories designed to make intricate quilting easier. It even has an automatic thread trimmer that cuts your top and bobbin thread with the push push of a button. While it might be a bit much for a total beginner, if you're an experienced sewist ready to upgrade to a machine that can truly keep up with your imagination, the Quantum Stylist 9960 is an absolute showstopper. So there you have it, our top 5 sewing machines. To wrap it all up, if you're a beginner on a budget, you can't go wrong with the simple and reliable Brother XM2701. If you need raw power for heavy fabrics, the Singer 4411 is your beast. But for the best all-around performance that will grow with you, our top pick is the Brother CS7000X. It strikes that perfect balance between features, ease of use, and value. Which one of these machines would fit best in your craft room? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, all the links are in the description for you to check out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and happy sewing!